The next command to cover is the Git Add command. And so this is one of the more confusing commands when you're first learning Git. And so right now I've got two files that are untracked, and so they are not tracked by Git. What the Git Add command does is it organizes the files that you want to add to your Git commit. So right now I've got two files in here, and when I do git add dot or period, it's going to take them from untracked status to an added status. So this would say that both of these files are going to be added to the commit. We're organizing these files to be added to our commit. If I don't want both of them, I could do a git reset. And if I just want to add one at a time, you can see they're back to untracked. If I could do a git add, you might just want to add one. And so the purpose of git add is to organize your files and say, well, what files do you want to be a part of this commit, and what files do you not want to be a part of this commit? And so when you're running this git add, what you're doing is you're adding them to what's called the staging area. And when you do your next commit, which will be in the next video, the files that are added to the staging areas will be a part of that commit. What I'm going to do here just to get them all ready is I'm going to do a git reset. And again, most commonly we'll do a git add dot, and it just says add all of the files to the staging area in the current directory, and that'll set us up for doing our first commit.